Hello friend, and welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video you're going to learn how to digitalize your signature in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about Photoshop tutorial, you'll be notified and you watch the video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can digitalize your signature using Photoshop. So let's begin. So right here, I'm going to drag my signature right here. So this is the signature I'm going to use. Then I will have to drag it to the. All right. So the next thing you need to do is to come to the channel right here. So from channel, make sure you select the red. Okay. At this point here, the next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here. You go to image. Then from image, go to adjustment. From adjustment, make sure you click on curve or you press Ctrl M. This allows you to have a curve panel is going to display just like what you see right here. So the next thing you need to do is to come to the slider from this point right here, and you have to press hotkey on your keyboard and drag the slider a little bit, and you can just reduce the slider size. Okay, I'm making it 92%. And once you're done, you have to come to the top right here and make sure you hit on OK. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to go back to the layer right here and then press Ctrl key on your keyboard to select the layer. So once you select the layer, you're going to have something like this. So next thing you need to do is to go back to the layer right here. So when you get back to the layer, so next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here. So at this point here, you need to go to select, and then from select, you have to look for inverse, or you press shift plus control and high. So this allows you to inverse. So when you inverse it, it's going to select only the signature, just like here, just like what you see right here. Only the area of signature is going to select. So the next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on this icon, and then this time around you have to make sure you choose solid color. Okay, so click on solid color, and you're going to have a window like this. Then you can play around with the color of your choice. Okay, so I'm making it dark. So this is the color code I use right now. Okay, so once you then you need to click on OK. So one more thing you can do here, you can double click on this particular place here, and this is going to pump up, and you can begin to change the color to whatever color of your choice. You can begin to play around with the color. Okay, so each time you are moving up and down from the color is going to be update from your signature. Okay, so I hope you guys find it valuable for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.